All right, so let me quickly review on this. Basically, I'm just going to do this the hard way or the old way. That's driving me nuts. Okay, so we have the first one. The effects are here. Add those two up. All right, each one is the general expression of, or the general utilization of Newton's universal law of gravitation. You get two vectors and then add them up. All right, you get F3 on 2 and F1 on 2. Then for the second question, part B, we're supposed to do this. And then what they've done is they used the two components of that, and then this, and then added those up. And so your final result is like your F31y plus F31x plus F21. And that equals the answer for part B. All right. And then I'll be sure to scroll down. So just to be clear, there's both. Here's the first one. There's your one vector. There's your other vector. Here's the addition of those two vectors using standard vector notation. Then for part B, here's your one vector broken into its two pieces, the I component and the J component. And then here's your second vector, and then your summative statement where we're adding those things all together. Now, when you write that out, you'll notice there's only two terms, right? So even though here it looks like there's 1, 2, and 3 terms, in the answer there's only 2 because this vector is noted by both of these terms. But if you'll look at the math of it, you'll see that in the x, this term is identical to that, right? Because the x didn't change. And if we look at the y, then you can see that these two were added together. This and this were added to get that. Okay, questions?